Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to show you how to create hyperlinks using HTML. In HTML, we have a tag known as anchor tag using which we can create hyperlinks. Here, A stands for anchor. So we can also call this A tag as anchor tag. So how to use this anchor tag in order to create hyperlink in HTML? Let me demonstrate right now. For that, I'll switch to this editor where we have the sample HTML code written. Now inside this body tags, I'm going to write the anchor tags A/A. This is a starting anchor tag. This is a closing anchor tag. So in between these anchor tags, I'll provide some text. Let's say Amazon text because I want to create the Amazon.com hyperlink. So I gave the text between the anchor tags. If I save this and go to the location where the HTML file is saved and open this HTML file using any browser, now I'm getting some text. Amazon text is coming. But this is not a hyperlink. Just by adding some text, just by adding some text in between the anchor tags will not make that particular text a hyperlink on the web page. So how to convert this normal text into the hyperlink then? For that, in the starting anchor tag, we have to specify one attribute known as href attribute and provide the value of that attribute under the double quotes as the address of Amazon, that is amazon.com or whatever you can provide. For example, I would like to provide this URL. I'll copy paste the URL from the browser. So I would like to give this amazon.com address here. URL of the amazon.com I would like to give here as a value of the href attribute. Now save this. Earlier, I was using anchor tag, starting and ending anchor tag, and there was some text. But this href attribute with URL of the website was not there. When it was not there, it was normal text. Normal text is getting displayed on the web page like this. But the moment I provide this href attribute with some URL of that website, now when I save this and go here and refresh, you see it's no more a normal text. If I click on this, it is acting like a hyperlink and taking me to the website of the given URL. So hope guys you understood how to create hyperlinks in HTML using the anchor tags. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.